To automatically turn on work mode on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra when you open a certain app, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find mode and routine. Tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode section, tap work. Tap turn on automatically. Under suggested condition section, tap app open. And then select the desired app you like to use to trigger work mode. As the example, we will select Zoom. You can either scroll through the app list or you can tap the search icon. Tap the app name. And then tap the app. Next, tap done button. And then tap done button again to save the change. With this setting, now your phone will automatically turn on work mode and apply its setting when you open the selected app. In this case, when you open Zoom. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.